Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to install Tableau on Windows 10. Tableau is a powerful data visualization tool that helps you turn raw data into interactive dashboards and reports, making it essential for anyone working with data analysis or business intelligence. First, open your web browser and head over to the Tableau homepage by typing in tableau.com in the address bar. Once the page loads, you'll see the main Tableau website with various options and information about their products. Now, if you already have a Tableau account, you can click on the Sign In button at the top right corner of the page. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry, we'll create one during the process. For now, let's focus on getting to the right product page. On the Tableau homepage, look for the option named Products in the main navigation menu at the top of the page. Hover your cursor over Products and you'll see an expanded selection appear with different Tableau offerings. From this expanded menu, choose Tableau Desktop. This is the full-featured desktop application that we'll be installing on your Windows 10 computer. Once you click on Tableau Desktop, you'll be taken to a dedicated page showcasing all its features and capabilities. Take a moment to scroll down and read through what Tableau Desktop offers, things like drag-and-drop analytics, real-time data connections, and powerful visualization tools. Once you've reviewed the features and decided to proceed with the installation, look for the button that says Start a Free Trial and click on it. After clicking Start a Free Trial, you'll be redirected to a registration page. Here, you'll need to fill in some information to create your account. You'll be prompted to enter your full name, business email address, organization name, job title, your region, and phone number. Make sure you enter accurate information, especially your email address, as this is where Tableau will send your registration details and trial information. Before you can proceed, you'll notice there's a checkbox for agreeing to the mail service agreement. Click on the link to read through the terms and conditions carefully. This will open the agreement in a new window or tab. Take your time to review what you're agreeing to. If you're comfortable with the terms and wish to proceed, head back to the previous Tableau desktop window and click on the checkbox to indicate your agreement. Now you're ready for the final step. Click on Download Free Trial and the download will begin automatically. The Tableau installer file will start downloading to your computer, typically to your Downloads folder. Once the download completes, the only steps left for you to do are to run the installer, follow the installation wizard, and then register your copy of Tableau Desktop using the credentials you just created. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.